First of all, I would like to thank all of you. My name is Irfan and I live in Pakri Khurd. And my father name is Ramzan. I am learning speaking English from Global Spoken English. I am going to speak on education. Education enhance confidence in our life and if we have to become anything, then for that we have to take a good education uh, with us confidence our personality feels it brings a great change in our life. Education is important in our life. Uh, we we should be we should be education. Okay, now I want to finish my topic. Thanks for listening.